What is the best business of 2025? It's the business of producing composite rebar. Prices of steel rebar continue to rise worldwide, making traditional construction materials more expensive. At the same time, the prices of raw materials for producing composite rebar are falling, creating a unique opportunity for profit. Each day, the production of composite rebar becomes more profitable, offering a lucrative business opportunity. Composite rebar is composed of 80% fiberglass and 20% epoxy resin, making it strong, durable, and lightweight. Let's break down the cost calculation. 1 meter of 10 millimeters rebar weighs 0.160 kilograms, with 0.128 kilograms of fiberglass and 0.032 kilograms of epoxy resin. The price of fiberglass is $0.6 per kilogram, and epoxy resin is $3 per kilogram. For 1 meter of rebar, the fiberglass costs $0.076, and the epoxy resin costs $0.096, bringing the total raw material cost to $0.17. Including additional costs such as electricity, wages, and taxes, the final cost per meter is approximately $0.22 to $0.24. This is at least 3 times cheaper than regular steel rebar. Machines from Composite Tech produce 9,600 linear meters of composite rebar in an 8-hour shift. This high productivity means that the investment in equipment pays off in just 3 to 5 months. Don't miss the opportunity to engage in this profitable business. Contact us for more information and start your journey to success today.